Hello everyone, this is Prabha studying in third class in Shishanti Niketan English Medium School. Today I am telling about different types of plants. Trees. We see different types of plants around us. Some plants are big and small. Big plants are called trees. They are, for example, neem, mango, and guava. Shrubs. Some plants are smaller than example, rose, jasmine, herbs. Some plants are smaller than shrubs. They have long and green stem. For example, tulasi, tomato. Climbers. Climbers are long, plants long and weak stem. They need support to stand upright. For example, grape plant, creepers, plant like pumpkin, watermelon, etc. They have a very weak stem. Thank you, everyone.